Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 6994 County Line Road in Ontario.
This is a spectacular nature's paradise on over 12 acres with a newer ranch home and outbuilding.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour.
Welcome your family and friends to this nature paradise with a private meandering driveway that arrives at this beautiful ranch home, with a wonderful front porch to take in those scenic views.
This is grand one-floor country living with an exceptional open floor plan, featuring a granite kitchen with beautiful cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, a center island with a breakfast bar and cherry floors, open to a pond view dining area, and spacious living area with a wood-burning stove and deck access, all with scenic views. The first floor also features an elegant formal dining room with cherry floors and living room with custom built-ins, plus a powder room and laundry and finished walkout lower level.
This ideal floor plan features 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, including a separate wing with this private owner's suite, with a walk-in closet and a beautiful bathroom, all with nature views.
Imagine walking out onto this expansive covered deck and taking in those breathtaking views of the most scenic and private 12 acres. With the focal point on this picturesque stock pond, and trees changing over the season, plus hiking trails. Truly a nature's paradise.
This country estate also features a newer pole barn and large shed for all your activities and storage.
This property is located in the town of Ontario with easy access to Webster and Lake Ontario.
Waterfront activities are a blast on Lake Ontario. The views are just spectacular.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 6994 County Line Road in Ontario.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!